Welcome to Lightning Punch. Today's video will be a special fight between two people that literally put their soul into not living things. Or are they now living things? Who would win when we talk about them? Chucky the Killer and Pickle. I'm your host, Robinson, and let's see who would win on this transferring soul night on Lightning Punch. Chucky fought an alligator and was burned alive. Chucky can also multiply himself. Chucky also has a knife, shovel, bat, and a voodoo doll, and an amulet. Pickle has a laser gun and has armor. Alright, the storm is about to begin. It's time for Lightning Punch! And the winner is Pickle. Next time on Lightning Punch.
We're unstoppable. We're unstoppable.